We got 2 new additions in the back. We love. Hello internet, welcome back or welcome to my channel. My name is Tori and today we have a Project Pan finale. This is for the Say Good Day to Project Pan. This is a Fantastics ladies collab. It was created by Isabella Grace or Beauty by Bella here on YouTube. She and the master list will be linked down below as always. It started January 26th of 2020 and ends today, July 26, 2020. So this is going to be hopefully another one take type of video. I kind of like trying to force myself to do stuff in one take. It's kind of an additional challenge. So let's talk about an empty. So I ended up finally finishing, it was for Shrimp on the Barbie, a product that you feel like everyone hates and you love, vice versa, etc. So I picked the Wet n Wild foundation in porcelain. Since the last update, I've used this 4 times and then it had to go in the bin. Because there was probably like this much left in it, so probably like 2 more uses, but it just started breaking down so badly and it wouldn't even play nice with my beauty blender. So yeah, this wasn't playing well with my sponges and it started like kind of balling up on my face and then sitting really deeply in my pores, so wasn't a fun time. So this is officially done. That happened on I'm pretty sure July 5th. I didn't write a date, but I know it was in the beginning of the month. That is the only empty, which means that there were 3 products that I did not hit my goals on, so let's talk about them. First, we have Aussie, oi oi oi, a product or packaging that is green or yellow or gold, so I picked the ABH eyeshadow in 10K. Now, I made great progress. I started wearing down the sides of it, and by looking at it close on, I can tell that it's working. Since the last update, I did only use it 4 times. I've had a little rough patch with wearing makeup every day. So I couldn't get as much use as I would have liked, but I'm rolling this in to another project pan, so it's still going to get use and hopefully have more progress by the end of the year. So that is great. Next is the category Dangerous Animals, and that's something that makes you feel fierce. So I picked the Urban Decay lipstick in Bun Bun. So this is what it looks like. It's gotten a lot smaller. Since the last update, I did use it 10 times. I wish I could have reached for it more, but I'm happy that it is this small now. So when I do roll it into another project, it should be an easy goal then. So this is one that is on its way of being out, but not just quite there yet. And now this last one is for Vegemite for breakfast, lunch, and tea, a product you could use every day and never get sick of. So I picked the Victoria's Secret Bombshell Paris perfume. I got it down to here. Close, but no cigar. So yeah, it did get consistent use. I used it 7 times since the last update. Wish the numbers were a little higher. But I think I am going to retire this for a little bit because, to be honest, I'm kind of craving a different scent. I'm craving my other 2 perfumes from the moment that are in a different project. So this is just going to get put away for a little bit and then I'll bring it back out. But I definitely will try to finish it by the end of the year because look at how much effort I've put into it. So I think that will happen, but just I need to, even though it's a product I can never get sick of, I'm a little bit sick of it. Just a little bit. So yeah, that is how this project went for me. Pretty much half and half. I finished 3 of the categories and I didn't finish 3. Overall, not too bad. It's still a success because I still got a lot of progress out of everything. And plus, it was for Australia and I love Australia. So yeah, this is just a little short and sweet finale. So yeah, if you enjoy me and you enjoy Project Panning, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe and all that jazz. And peace out, Girl Scout.